What's up, guys? It's Mitch with SC Weather. I just want to make a quick video regarding some active weather tonight, and it looks like the chances are increasing of maybe some potential strong to severe storms, especially in the upstate. And so here's a closer look. There is a slight risk for parts of the state. We went over this before, guys, over the active April. Slight risk, it sounds slight, but it is pretty significant in a way. Here's the chart here describing each risk category. So I definitely think we're going to have maybe some storms tonight that maybe reach severe limits, especially in the upstate. What we have working through is what you call a MCS, which is called a mesoscale convective system. So these like to blast through from the northwest, and they move through quick, and they can pack a punch. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have the NAM on the left and the HRRR model on the right, two reliable, decently reliable short-range models, and we're going to compare the two. So this is starting at 8 p.m. this evening, so a couple hours, and notice the NAM's firing up activity big time, and I don't think that's going to confirm. So I think the HRRR model's already winning out here. So sorry about the glitches here. It was hard to time it up perfectly. So I was moving into the 10 o'clock range. The NAM definitely has more activity, more of the way of storms, and just has a different look, but it still has that piece of energy in Tennessee kind of working through. And just much more active on the NAM, as you can see, as we work into around the 11 p.m. range. And it just isn't, it's just some showers in the HRRR model, really. And, it gets really heavy, especially east of Columbia. Definitely some activity form, and I think this is just a little too aggressive. I think the HRRR model is going to be the best model to use for this system. But as you can see on the model on the right, I'm going to quick saying HRRR, guys. It's getting a little annoying, but you get that big chunk of energy coming out the Appalachian Mountains. It's going to work through the state, and this is around the 2 a.m. range. NAM has it storming pretty good over the Columbia area in the Midlands, and that HRRR model has that energy associated with that MCS coming through. And it looks much different than the NAM. It just has more of that look to it. That's why I think a lot of people are going more of with this model. And if we're going with the model on the right, it would show it clipping places in the Midlands, but mainly hitting the northern Midlands and upstate. So I think that's why the higher range is kind of up in that area for severe weather. But we finished that out, and it looks like it's going to last all the way through most of the wee hours of the morning. But this is what's causing our system here. We have a front set up kind of right now in the northern Midlands, and basically the storm flow is going to be where them arrows are, right around the front. So the storms are going to be following that front. That's why just north of Columbia looks like the highest risk. And so that's about it, guys. Expect some thunder boomers tonight. And please subscribe, and like I said, just expect some active weather tonight, potentially. I don't think it's going to be nothing crazy, but definitely some storms tonight. Y'all have a blessed night.